How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger. To recover deleted messages on Messenger, you can try these steps. First of all, open your Messenger application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged in to your account. Sometimes messages are archived instead of deleted. You can check the archive message by tapping on the three horizontal bars at the top left corner. Once you tap on it, from the side menu, you will be able to see Archive option. Tap on Archive, and inside it, you will be able to see the archive chats. Here, select the archive chat to view any conversation you may have archived. If you find the conversation, you can tap and hold the chat, and at the bottom, you will see an Archive option. Tap on Unarchive and you will restore it back to your inbox section now. Now, if your messages were permanently deleted, you can attempt to retrieve them by downloading your Facebook data. For that, here tap on the three horizontal bars at the top left and tap on the square icon next to your name. Once you reach to this page, here scroll down all the way and here tap on Password and Security at the very bottom. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the Meta section. Here, you will need to tap on this Your Information and Permissions. Once doing that, here you will be able to see the option Download Your Information. Tap on this option and here you will need to tap on Download or Transfer Information. Once doing that, here select your Facebook account and then tap on Next button below. Here you will need to choose the second option that says Specific Types of Information, and once doing that, you will be taken to this page. Here you will need to select this Messages option, and once you have selected it, tap on this Next button at the very bottom. Now finally tap on Download to Device in this page, and here make sure the format is selected to HTML. Also, if you want to choose the media quality, you need to tap on Media Quality option, and here select the one that you prefer. If you select this high option, it may take longer to download. Now once you have selected one of these options, come back to the previous page and then tap on Create Files. Now after doing this, you will receive a notification whenever your data is ready to download. After your data is downloaded, from there you will be able to check the deleted messages. Also, if you have email notification enabled for Messenger, you can search your email for the conversation and you can find the copies of messages sent to your email address. For that, you need to open your Gmail application on your mobile device, and once you reach to this page, you make sure you are logged in to your account. After that, tap on the three horizontal bars at the top left and here select Social. From here, you will be able to find the copies of the messages sent to you. These methods can help you recover some types of deleted messages, but it's important to note that once a message is permanently deleted from Messenger, it cannot be directly restored within the application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.